Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Basic Funda. In today's video, we are going to talk about the important feature of GitHub Copilot, that is get code suggestions. So, as we all know that with GitHub Copilot we have so many features that are available. And to make best use of GitHub Copilot, let's start understanding some of the features. I have opened up my Visual Studio Code. I am connected with my GitHub credentials, and now I can use the GitHub Copilot feature, that is Get Code Suggestions. With the help of this feature, what you can do is there are three ways you can utilize this feature. Step 1, that is just provide a type function and give the function name. As you start giving the function name, you will see that GitHub Copilot will start suggesting you the ghost code. So let's say I will ask for is valid email. So if you see, even if I just started typing it and it has even completing my function name as well with its intelligence. So let me tab it, and if you see, it has suggested me a code for is valid email. Now what the code, this is the ghost code. And this is GitHub Copilot control, which will also give you the suggestions. So let's say if you're trying to type a code where you have multiple suggestions available for a single type of code, then it will give you the suggestions. So example, I will press enter. So now, if there are multiple suggestions available, so there will be one out of three. You can just change it and check which one is more suitable for you, and you can accept it. So there are two options. You can tab it and accept it, and then you can tab it and fully it is accepted by the person like me. So this is first thing. You have to give the function keyword, type your function name, and then it will start suggesting you the code. This will be the ghost code. You can accept it by pressing tab. You can reject it by pressing escape. Or you can partially accept it by pressing control plus right arrow button. So let's see one more example. This is the first way. Second way is type in a natural language. So you just give a comment, start typing. Like example, I want to generate a method to method to check if the password is strong. See, it has even suggested me the comment. So I will tab it, and now it has given me the full function. So this is how we can make use of the natural language to get the code suggestions from GitHub Copilot. I'm pressing Control and right arrow to just partially accept the code. I mean, this is one way you can partially accept the code, and maybe you can tab it. So it has accepted the full code. So this is the second way. Third, I was just trying to show you one more time. So let's say if I am having a function to let's say if I'm trying to write a function for combine first name and last name. Okay. Now if I hover onto it, so I was just trying to check if it can give more suggestions, but this is one of the feature where it will show multiple suggestions and you can accept any of the suggestion which you think it's more comfortable. So this is how you can use the feature which is get code suggestions, and you will be able to write the code faster and easier. So that's it for today. We are just talking about one feature, and in my next video we will talk about the another feature. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone. If you like my content, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.